Artificial intelligence, AI, encompasses the dynamic field of computer science dedicated to developing intelligent machines capable of imitating human intelligence. It involves the study and implementation of algorithms and methodologies that empower computers to perceive, reason, and overcome complex challenges. On the other hand, machine learning, ML, is a subset of AI that focuses on creating algorithms and statistical models, enabling computers to learn from data and enhance their performance without explicit programming. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing industries worldwide. It involves the simulation of human-like intelligence in machines, enabling them to acquire knowledge, engage in logical reasoning, and make informed decisions. Conversely, machine learning constitutes a subset of AI that concentrates on the creation of algorithms and statistical models, enabling computers to learn from data and enhance their performance without explicit programming. Utilizations of artificial intelligence can be classified into two primary categories: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to fulfill specific tasks and possesses a limited range of capabilities. On the other hand, general AI, often referred to as strong AI, aspires to exhibit human-like intelligence and perform any intellectual undertaking that a human can accomplish. Utilizations of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence finds diverse applications across numerous industries. Here are some examples. Virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa. Recommendation systems utilized by e-commerce platforms, autonomous vehicles and self-driving cars, fraud detection systems in banking and finance, natural language processing and machine translation. Machine learning constitutes a subfield of artificial intelligence that concentrates on the creation of algorithms and models, enabling computers to learn from data and enhance their performance without explicit programming. It relies on statistical techniques and pattern recognition to make predictions and decisions. Different kinds of machine learning can be categorized into three primary types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model using labeled data, while unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning entails training a model to make decisions based on feedback from its environment. Applications of machine learning finds a broad range of applications across various domains. Here are a few examples: image and speech recognition, predictive analytics in healthcare, fraud detection in finance, personalized recommendations in marketing, autonomous robots and drones. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are intricately interconnected. Machine learning techniques are often employed in the development of AI systems, enabling them to learn from data and enhance their performance over time. Machine learning algorithms play a vital role in training AI models, augmenting their accuracy and efficiency. AI and ML in business. Artificial intelligence and machine learning hold significant implications for businesses. These technologies can automate repetitive tasks, enhance decision-making processes, and improve operational efficiency. Companies can leverage AI and ML to gain valuable insights from vast amounts of data, optimize supply chain management, and deliver personalized customer experiences. AI and ML in healthcare. In the healthcare sector, AI and ML possess the potential to revolutionize patient care, diagnosis, and treatment. ML algorithms can scrutinize medical images, detect patterns, and aid in early disease detection. AI-powered virtual assistants can provide personalized healthcare recommendations and assist healthcare professionals in decision-making. OI and ML in finance. The finance industry has embraced AI and ML to streamline operations, detect fraudulent activities, and make data-driven investment decisions. ML algorithms can analyze financial data in real time, identify patterns, and predict market trends. AI-powered chatbots are also employed to offer customer support and assist with financial inquiries. AI and ML in education. In the realm of education, AI and ML present novel opportunities for personalized learning and adaptive education systems. Intelligent tutoring systems can furnish customized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. AI-powered educational tools can automate administrative tasks and provide real-time feedback to students. As AI and ML continue to advance, ethical considerations assume paramount importance. Concerns regarding privacy, bias, and accountability in AI systems have arisen. It is crucial to ensure the responsible development and deployment of these technologies, implementing appropriate safeguards to mitigate potential risks. The future of AI and ML brims with immense potential. Progress in deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics is projected to drive further innovation. However, challenges such as data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and ethical dilemmas must be addressed to ensure the responsible development and deployment of these technologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are reshaping various facets of our lives and shaping the technological landscape of the future. These technologies possess immense potential to foster innovation, enhance efficiency, and tackle intricate problems across diverse industries. Nevertheless, it is imperative to approach their development and implementation ethically and responsibly, taking into account potential risks and emphasizing transparency and accountability. How do artificial intelligence and machine learning differ? Artificial intelligence encompasses a broader scope, encompassing the creation of intelligent machines, while machine learning constitutes a subset of AI that centers on algorithms and models enabling computers to learn from data. What are some popular applications of artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence finds applications in virtual personal assistants, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, fraud detection, natural language processing, among others. How does machine learning work? Machine learning entails training models using data, allowing them to discern patterns and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. What are the types of machine learning? The three primary types of machine learning are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. What are the ethical considerations in AI and ML? Ethical considerations in AI and ML encompass privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability in the development and implementation of these technologies.
Thank you for joining us as we explored the latest innovations in the tech world. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on groundbreaking technologies that are shaping our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time.